Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I look a little crazy because my hair is in a bun and it's messy and it's big, but today I'm going to be doing a clean with me. It's a video that I've been wanting to do for a while. It's just really hard to find the time to do it because it takes forever, because cleaning takes forever and then recording it makes it take even longer. But besides that, it's going to be a fall deep clean with me. I hope you enjoy. See you in my next video. Woo!
2 a.m. in the morning, I'm in my story smoking, catching my breath. I can feel my skin burning. You light the fire in me, got no regrets. Can't forget, you got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes, oh, you got me looped about it. You and me, you got me losing sleep. I'm in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived. Blow my mind with a warning. You're digging deep within me. I feel obsessed. I can't help myself falling into the widest ocean again, again. Can't forget, you got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes, oh, you got me looped about it. You and me, got me losing sleep. I'm in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived. Forget, you got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes, you got me looped about it. You and me, got me losing sleep. I'm in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived. Have this to touch me, won't let you go to my head. Cause I know I'm dealing with the devil, but I'm standing with my heart in your hand, and I'm too deep into this gamble. Pull me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. I don't understand. You and I so different now. We are always, always on the edge. Hearts are open wide. Different